A very good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. So today we are going to understand about how to solve addition story problems. So let's start solving our addition story problems. So here is your first problem is kite problem. So you can see here are blue kites and grey kites. So let's first read and underline the important words. What information does it give? In a shop there are 1507 blue kites and 1803 grey kites. How many kites are there in all in the shop? So let's understand the important words. There are blue kites 1507 and how many grey kites are there? There are 1803. And what they are asking, what we have to find out, the kites are there in all in the shop. Let's take this kite problem, children, and let us understand what and how to write in a statement. Let's form a statement first. So first statement would be total number of blue kites in the shop. They are 1507. Second statement, total number of grey kites in the shop. They are 1803. Now the final statement. Total number of kites bracket blue plus grey kites. Now here we will write these two numbers in column addition. This is our first addend. And now we will write our second addend and this addition sign. And we'll start adding from the ones place. So let's start adding to find out the answer. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we will write 0 below and 1 will go at the tens place as a carryover, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 again it's 1. Let's add 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 will be here and 1 will go at the thousand place as a carryover. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the sum. This is the answer. 3310. So we can say there are 3310 kites in all in the shop. Okay children, now we will solve one more addition story problem. So here is your second problem, library problem. You can see here are English books and maths books. First, we will read and underline the important words in this question. In a library, there are 2400 books of English subject and 2109 books of math subject. How many books are there all together in the library? So let's understand what important information is there. Yes, English books are 2403. Maths books are there 2109. And what they are asking the books are how many books are there all together, right? So let's understand how to write and form the statement. So children, let's form the statement of this library problem. So first statement is total number of English subject books in the library are 2403. Second statement, total number of math subject books, they are 2109. Now the total number of books, English and math, this is the final statement. And here now we will write these two numbers in the column addition. This is our first addend, and below this you will write the second addend and you will put the addition sign. Let's start adding. 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2 will be here at the ones place and the 1 will go at the tens place as a carryover. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0. Again 1. Now let's add this 4 plus 1. It's 5. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the sum. These are the total books. 4512. So here is the statement. There are 4512 books all together in the library. Yippee! See, we have solved both the story problems so nicely. Remember children, terms used in addition, in all together, total, sum imply addition. It means if these terms are written in the question, it means it says they are asking the total, they are asking the sum. There you have to add the numbers, right? I hope children you must have understood how to form these statements, how to underline the important information in the questions, and you will solve these story problems in a fun way. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So do practice sums and strengthen your concepts. Thank you.